Hi, Jay Andrews today with Laguna Tools. Today we're introducing our new G8 grinder. And this is perfect for small shops that are doing both metalworking and woodworking because it's a dual speed grinder. On the low speed, you can sharpen your plane irons and your chisels without overheating the high speed steel. And on high speed, you can go through and remove a lot of material for metalworking applications. The G8 grinder is loaded with some great features, and one of my favorites are these oversized tool rests right here. These are perfect for sharpening just about anything you can. Simply loosen the knobs, loosen these little lock handles right here, and you can position these at just about any angle that you need to sharpen bits, plane irons, chisels, just about anything you need. Once you have the correct position lined up here, lock those in place, and now I can go through and sharpen just about anything here. If you're having trouble observing your tool as you're sharpening it, use the included light. This is pre-wired into the base of the grinder. You can plug it into 110 volts, and you've got both the grinder powered up as well as the LED light. Again, the arm on this is really long. You can position on either side quite easily, and then it can move out of the way if you're not using it. The G8 grinder has controls that are right up in the front, and they're easy to operate and easy to reach on this ergonomic control panel. You'll see that it has a 0 position on the top, and that is the off position for the speed range. And of course, our power is off as well. In order to turn on the grinder, I'm going to select either high or low. In this case, I'm going to select low, and then I'll hit the on button, and you'll see that it ramps up to speed. In the low position, it's 1790 RPM, and that's perfect for chisels, for plane irons, bit sharpening, any applications where you're working with high-speed steel that you don't want to overheat. If you're grinding off a lot of material, you can switch over to the coarser stone. This is a 60, and that's 120 grit on the stones. And then I can also switch to the high speed. To switch to high speed, I'll go to the neutral position in the middle and then switch it over to the high RPM, and that's 3580, and that's perfect for a lot of material removal. To turn off the grinder, I can simply hit the off switch. The G8 grinder is a bench grinder, and we're using it right here on a workbench, and it's not bolted down. There's no vibration thanks to the rubber feet that are included with the grinder. Now these are perfect if you have to move the grinder around the shop to different locations, but if you have a set spot for your grinder, bolt it down to the bench. It's got these convenient lugs here that you can bolt it down to the bench. We've equipped the G8 grinder with white aluminum oxide wheels, and these are perfect for most shop applications where you're looking for fast material removal. We'll start with the 60 grit for that fast material removal, and for fine grinding or for sharpening applications, the 120 grit works really great. Now, if you're looking for a better quality wheel, we offer CBN wheels for the grinder as well. These use a standard 5/8 arbor. They're 1 inch wide, and the CBN wheels will give you just a little bit better finish for your expensive plane irons. If you're looking to do paint removal or rust removal, we have wire wheels that are available, and we also have a buffing wheel for your buffing applications. To take care of the white aluminum oxide wheels, we've included a diamond wheel dressing tool. This has got a diamond surface on it that will polish and clean up the front edge of these wheels. To use this, simply lay it down flat on the tool rest, and as the grinder is running, very slowly bring it right up to and flat on the wheel face, and you can move this back and forth across the surface of the wheel while it's running to clean out any marks you might have on there from sharpening applications. Once you're done with the tool, it can go right back in the clip on the back side of the grinder for use next time. We've made the G8 grinder very rugged with a nice heavy cast iron base and steel enclosures for the wheels as a safety guard. We've made it really easy to use with tool rests that are wider than normal and easy to position at any angle that you want to without any ratcheting. Those can lock in place with some nice handles. We've also made it very, very safe to use with the magnifying eye guards that can be positioned just about any angle that you want to. We've got built-in spark deflectors that can come right down to the wheels to keep the sparks off of your work surface. And then we've made it easy to see by using the light, the LED light that's included with it. You'll see that the G8 grinder is a perfect fit for the shop and probably one of the best looking grinders that you can put in your shop. The G8 grinder is available exclusively from authorized Laguna Tools dealers. Go to our website at lagunatools.com. Thank you for choosing Laguna Tools.